And you won already the 2025 Muscle Car of the Year award, right?
Yes, sir.
Very cool.
My heart and soul has always been Ford. Love Mustangs. First car was a 1968 Ford Mustang. If you've seen it, it's a red, beautiful car called Rampant, which East Bay Muscle Cars built. Happens to be out there. You might want to take a quick view.
Cool, sure, of course.
And so I've always loved Mustangs. Always knew that Boss 429 was one of those collector cars that I wanted. I was fortunate to be able to sell a business that I started, All American Label, back in 1995. Sold the business. Wanted to buy myself a brand. I went to the Mecum auctions.
Okay.
I found out that they had a Boss 429 that happened to be there with its little brother, the Boss 302, in the exact same color, Calypso Coral.
Really?
I found out the story about the Boss 429. I didn't know anything about the Boss 302.
Right.
We are the fourth owner of the Boss 420. First owner got busted with a DUI. This is what I understand.
Okay.
The car was in Hawk. Didn't get the car out of Hawk. Another collector bought the car, had it in his collection for X amount of years. He sold it to another collector. That collector collected the Boss 302 as well, who Steve is doing a complete restoration on that as well.
All right.
And we bought both cars at the same time, and we are the fourth owner, and it'll never leave my family.
Really? So has this car basically been restored, or has it been modified, or
Completely restored.
completely restored? Okay.
Original numbers,
Like rotisserie?
numbers matching, everything.
Really?
All pieces and parts.
Is this original Ford color paint?
Yep.
Grabber orange? Is that what
Calypso, Calypso Coral.
was it?
Calypso Coral.
Calypso Coral. Oh, fancy
Yeah.
Color, and we have the Boss 2 that matches it in the same color.
Really?
AKA orange.
So you had this dream of having that particular car. Why that car as opposed to a 69 or as opposed to a Shelby or whatever? Why that particular car?
Always loved that body style.
Really?
Always. I love the fastback feel.
Yeah, yeah,
Appreciate coupes. They look good, but I love the fastback.
yeah.
It was in pretty good shape. It just needed some TLC.
Massaging.
But most everything was there, which we left out on.
Okay.
Parts are extremely hard.
Oh my word, yes.
Most parts were there. And we got into the engine. It still had standard core.
When you go to do a rotisserie build, what's the first thing you do? The very first thing.
First thing we do is just disassemble our catalog, every component, and make an inventory of what we got. And then the car is sandblasted, kind of see what we got underneath. Luckily, it was pretty good.
It was metal.
Yeah, yeah.
All right, good. God, that's so cool. And I like the original AM rating. Go Ford.
Absolutely.
What is the most difficult part of a restoration to get right?
typically, you know, they overspray and stuff. Like the undercarriage was really hard for me.
Really?
We normally do like Pro Touring type cars.
Okay, so you don't have to worry about all the overspray.
So we had to actually do the underneath in a red oxide primer, and then another satin black, and then overspray from the exterior of the car, and then they painted the edge compartment black. That flew through the transmission tunnel. So you had all these different oversprays, and we just had to soften stuff on and try to get back.
Digitized, but it's actually the original invoices that went between
Ford and the dealership.
and then CarCraft was what's his bucket? Shelby? Was it Shelby?
Yeah, CarCraft up in Brighton.
CarCraft, yep. Correct me if I'm wrong here, but every night after they finish with all the paint, then they mix all the paint, and they they save it. Well, I'm a printer. I own printing companies, and so when you're finished with all your print, you put it together and you create black. That's kind of a black gray.
It's soft gray.
Kind of like blackish.
Yeah, it's blackish, grayish, and that's what they were the next day. So you can't replicate every single. So Monday's color is different than Tuesday's, it's different than Wednesday's, because if they painted 10 red cars and 5 black cars, well, it's going to have a little more red. But if you painted 20 yellow cars and only 2 black cars, you're going to have a lot more yellow in it. And so that sloth color of grayish or blackish. I drive every single one of my cars.
Okay, good.
And I drive them hard. Yeah, I drive them like they're supposed to be driven. Sure, I don't put 20,000 miles on a single car.
Right.
But I drive them back and forth to the office, take them for a lunch, maybe go to church on Sunday. Beautiful day.
No kidding.
So I definitely drive my cars. They're there to be kept in the family. Maybe down the road, a grandkid is needing a home or something, and I'm 85 years old, and maybe it's time to sell one, but other than that, these stay in my stable.
That's pretty cool.
I love my horses.
Good for you.
Thanks for riding along. More cool content only on Muscle Cars with Eric.